Okay guys, we're here at Boyne Falls Resort and there's a lot of activities to do here, but we're mainly gonna do the ski lift or chair lift.
You can pull the bar down right over your head.
Okay. There is a safety feature here, but it's kind of big. I mean, it's like up to my wrist, so I mean, if I fall, it's gonna hold. I don't think it's gonna hold me because like there's no latch down there. But we're gonna go through like a tree kind of thing right now. My sister and my mom are gonna go through it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we go. We're gonna get in it pretty soon too. You're gonna love it. It looks pretty cool, like the tunnel of trees that we did not go to actually. We kind of missed it, but I mean we've been there before, but we didn't record it, so it's gonna be a problem. So here we are. We're in the tree thing. I don't know what to call it, but a tree tunnel, I guess. A tunnel of trees, I guess. But on the tree lift. It's got a ski lift. When you get to one of those pillars, you get a little uneasy because it like shakes. But oh, my mom and my sister are exiting the tunnel of trees. Ski edition, I guess. We're actually pretty close to the top. I don't know, pretty close to the top. I don't know. Like, it's fun though. It's definitely. Yep, we're gonna leave soon. We're gonna leave the Tunnel Tree Ski Edition soon. In 3, 2, 1. We left it. Pretty fun. This is probably like a 5-10 minute ski lift. We're heading up. Oh, this feels actually nice. Should probably show you guys front. Here's my sister and my mom. They're enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. Dad's behind. He's enjoying it. And I'm definitely enjoying it. So this is a very nice area. We've got some fall colors here. We got some bright reds up there. Got some oranges, a little bit of yellows. Pretty nice. I do say so myself. I don't know if you guys can see it that well, but very nice. Very, very nice. Yep, definitely. Now here we are, guys. We're going down. Nice. This is fun, actually. Going down looks kind of scary, but trust me, this is gonna be epic. Literally, this view up here is amazing. So this is actually kind of smooth compared to coming up. I love how close the leaves are. It's almost like I just go out and grab one, which is nice. It's definitely enjoyable. I like it. I mean, you can see for miles from up here. Leave a like. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to try this out, cause it's amazing up here. Like, actually, this was super fun. This resort, like it's a resort, so you can stay here multiple days. It's got like a German kind of style to it. I did see a pool from up here, so I did see a pool. Pool's cool. Pool's cool. Yeah, but it's fun. Oh, we're going into the tunnel of trees, ski edition now, and we're gonna touch in. And 3, 2, 1, touchdown. Wow, fun. Oh, there's some people up there. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's kind of fun. I enjoyed it. I'll leave a link in the description, so you can click on that if you want to come up here too. So but I definitely would say, yeah, this is our last stop until we go home from the trip. Okay, cool.